Hello everyone! Thank you for visiting our channel. Today we will be making the famous dessert Anna Pavlova, but not the classical recipe. For making the base we will need egg white, icing sugar with cornstarch, vanilla extract and cream of tartar.
First of all, we need to degrease the mixer bowl and the whisk with lemon juice or vinegar. In the bowl, place in 100 grams of egg white. Whip it a little bit. When there is a little foam, we add in half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, but if you don't have it, you can use 1 teaspoon of lemon juice when you add in the icing sugar.
We need to add in twice as much icing sugar than egg white. If you have 100 grams of egg whites, then add in 200 grams of icing sugar and leave the mess to mix for 10 to 15 minutes. The mixing time will vary based on your mixer's strength. When you can see that the mess has turned smooth and glossy, you can add 20 grams of cornstarch and mix for about 1 to 2 minutes.
Because of where we live, icing sugar isn't pure, because there's cornstarch in it. So we just add in 220 grams of icing sugar and it works out well. When the meringue is ready, we add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can find the exact recipe underneath this video.
We hope that we didn't confuse you and explained everything thoroughly. And if you have questions, leave them in the comments, and we will be happy to answer them.
Get a piping bag with a 6B Wilton tip. If you don't have the tip, then you can make the form of the meringue with a spoon. If you don't have a piping bag, you can make one by making a hole in a Ziploc bag's corner. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. If you are new to our channel or haven't seen it before, please consider staying. Please leave a like and a comment as well. We love to interact with you guys. If you have any questions, do ask them in the comments as well.
We heat the bag with the meringue lightly, so when we form the meringues, there won't be any air bubbles, because the air will make holes and interfere with the shape of the meringues. You can line your pan with parchment paper, silicone mats or Teflon sheets. Make heart-shaped meringues. We made it in the form of a heart because this dessert is made for a romantic dinner. But you can use any other shape, round, oval. You need to go around the heart to make a sort of fence, so that there will be a dip in the center. Make the meringues not too close to each other as they will enlarge as they dry.
Preheat the oven to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, or if you have a keep warm setting, use that. If you are using a temperature higher than 150 degrees, then your meringues will crack or turn tan. The cooking time will be different for everyone. Ours was 3 hours. It all depends on the oven temperature, the size of the meringues, and the humidity. We opened the oven and checked no earlier than 1.5 hours after we put them in the oven. They need to be dry and you should be able to lift them off the mat easily.
Leave the meringues to fully cool. You can make the meringues earlier, but then you need to store them in an airtight container until you need to use them. While the meringues are cooling, we will prepare the cream. You can just whip whipping cream, but today we want to make cream with the taste of cheese. For this we will need to mix 100 grams of cream cheese, 250 milliliters of whipping cream, and 1 tablespoon of icing sugar.
The cream cooks fast and easily, and isn't sweet. As the meringue is very sweet, this cream balances the taste, so the dessert isn't overly sweet. We place the cream in a piping bag with a 4B Wilton tip.
Today for the creation of your dessert we will be using raspberry curd. On our channel we have videos on how to make lemon and orange curds. The links to the videos are going to be below this video. When raspberries are in season, we make curd out of it and then freeze it to use later. When we want to use it, we defrost it in the refrigerator. However, you can use lemon or orange curd, it will not be worse.
Place the raspberry curd onto the meringues. Cover it with the cream and decorate it with raspberries, crushed pistachio, and fresh mint leaves. But if you don't have mint, you can use any other fresh berries. This dessert turns out to not only be beautiful, but also very delicious. The curd gives this dessert a nice sourness. Look at how beautiful this dessert is when it is cut.
Try, experiment, and everything will work out. Make yourself, your family, and your friends happy with your home cooking. Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.